In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a photo in Canva. We're going to walk through the basic process of opening Canva, starting a photo editing project, choosing your image, and then customizing the design so it looks exactly the way you want. This is a great method if you want to make a quick graphic, improve a personal photo, or prepare an image for social media, a presentation, or any other visual project. To begin, open Canva on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look for the option that says Create a Design and click on it. This is where you start any new project in Canva. After that, choose the photo editor option. Depending on your screen or the version of Canva you're using, you may be prompted to upload a photo right away. If that happens, go ahead and upload the image you want to work with. Make sure you choose a photo that's easy to locate, so the process stays quick and smooth. Next, select the photo you want to use. Take a moment here to confirm that it's the correct image before moving forward. This is especially helpful if you have several similar files saved on your device. Once your photo is selected, click Create Design. Canva will then open the image inside the editor, where you can begin making changes. Now comes the creative part. Customize the design by adding text, elements, or changing the layout. If you want to add text, think about keeping it short and readable, especially if the image is meant to be shared online. Choose a font style that matches the tone of your design and place the text where it doesn't cover the most important part of the photo. If you're adding elements such as shapes, icons, or simple graphics, use them to support the image rather than distract from it. You can also adjust the layout to create a cleaner and more balanced composition. Move items around until everything feels organized and easy to look at. A good tip is to avoid overcrowding the design. Leaving a little space can make your final image look more polished and professional. Take your time making these changes until you're happy with the result. Canva makes it easy to experiment, so don't be afraid to try different placements or styles. And that's it. Once your design looks the way you want, you'll be ready for the next step in your project.